Dear students, how are you all? Dear students, today we are going to start with a new lesson, that is the natural disasters. Disasters that occur due to nature, like cyclones, earthquake, it is a fire outbreak, it can be the tsunamis. So we are going to discuss about these natural disasters in detail. About these natural disasters, what are we going to learn? We would be knowing what are the natural disasters along with their examples. We would be learning the causes of natural disasters. We would be learning the measures for the safety during a disaster. So dear students, the disasters can be in the form of a tornado. It can be in the form of a flood, wildfire, earthquake, drought, tsunami, landslide, typhoons. Let's see what is a natural calamity. A natural disaster or a calamity is an effect of a natural hazard. Like कोई भी नेचर की तरफ से कोई भी प्रॉब्लम्स अराइज होती हैं, नेचर की तरफ से फ्लड आ जाता है कई बार, टोर्नाडो, हरिकेन, वॉल्केनो इरप्शन, अर्थक्वेक और लैंडस्लाइड. These affects the environment and leads to financial, environmental and human losses. बच्चे, why it leads to financial loss? Let's see to it. बहुत सारी बिल्डिंग्स टूट जाती हैं, बहुत सारा मतलब शॉप्स के अंदर अगर पानी आ जाता है या कहीं पे भी अगर वाटर आ जाता है तो उससे फाइनेंस का तो नुकसान होता ही है. एनवायरनमेंट, यस, योर एनवायरनमेंट गेट्स डिप्लीटेड एट टाइम्स. नेक्स्ट, ह्यूमन लॉसेस. बहुत सारे लोग ऑल्सो टेंड टू डाई. Lot many people tend to die. So dear students, remember, natural disaster is a major adverse event. Adverse why? Because it does not give to a right or good results, resulting from natural processes which could be related to weather, geology, biology, or even the factors outside the earth. And the examples are flood, volcanic eruption, earthquakes, tsunami, landslide, and for other geological processes. So these natural disasters are caused by the environmental factors. They can damage the property, they can leave the people affected, they can even lead to some economic damages. So dear students, a sudden natural event that causes the loss of life and property is called a natural disaster. Earthquake, flood, volcanic eruption, tsunami, cyclone, and drought are the natural disasters. Now let us study about these natural disasters one by one. Today we are going to talk about the earthquake. You know, earthquake are the sudden, violent shaking of the earth's surface. There is a sudden and violent movement of fracture within the earth's crust, followed by a series of shocks, is called an earthquake. The movement is sudden and abrupt and it is short-lived also. बहुत थोड़ी देर के लिए ये tremors feel होते हैं, but it causes a lot of damage. How do the faults form? Let's see. The earth's crust is continuously experiencing pressure from the forces within and around it. जब ये प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा बिल्डअप हो जाता है, it causes the crust to break. बच्चे, in the same manner, अगर आप किसी भी ग्लास के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर दे दोगे तो वो ब्रेक हो जाएगा. मार्बल है, मार्बल के ऊपर प्रेशर दोगे तो it would tend to break. Same happens here. जब अर्थ की क्रस्ट के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर आ जाता है, then it tend to break, right? थोड़ा सा स्लाइड डाउन हो जाता है and this causes a fault. See, earthquake comes in many forms. It can be felt as a shock under your feet, or it may be a very powerful and destructive enough to flatten an entire city. आपको पता है, earthquake can come in land or it can come in sea. When it comes on land, we call it an earthquake, but it is a loss to the building. लेकिन जब earthquake sea में आता है ना, it leads to tsunami. See the situations before earthquake. When I am talking about the before earthquake, बच्चे, we have a proper line here, right? अगर आप ये दोनों plates को देखोगे, if you are just seeing both these two plates, they are in balance with each other. But after the earthquake, the tectonic plates slide over each other. So this is a reason what happens during an earthquake? The tectonic plates slide down basically. Now, let's talk about what is a focus and an epicenter of an earthquake. But the point within the earth where the rock under the stress breaks is called a focus. So remember, focus is always within the earth, and a point directly above the focus on the surface of a earth is the epicenter. That is the basic epicenter. See, focus is always under the earth's surface, whereas the wave originates along the fault line. An epicenter is a point on the surface of the earth directly above the focus. You should remember, surface waves begins here, like the waves or the tremors begin from the epicenter only. Dear students, the earthquakes, are the sudden and violent shaking of the earth's surface. These earthquakes can be felt over a large area. Usually, they last only for a short duration. आप लोगों को पता है जो earthquake होता है, अगर हमारे को इनको measure करना है कि intensity कितनी है earthquake की, तो we use a seismograph as an instrument to measure the intensity of the earthquake. And the magnitude of the earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. The magnitude means कि कितना मतलब बहुत कितने tremors आए हैं, right? कितने Richter scale के tremors हैं. So we will measure it on the Richter scale. Dear students, like I told you, हमारी जो earth की crust होती है ना, it is made up of some plates of rocks. And these plates keep on moving and sliding over one another along a fault line. Sometimes these plates collide with each other. Collide मतलब collision कर जाती है, ये एक दूसरे से टकरा जाती हैं. So this causes an earthquake. A strong earthquake can create cracks on the surface of the earth. And this can even cause a great harm by toppling the buildings. मतलब buildings गिर जाती हैं, buildings में cracks आ जाते हैं, houses में cracks आ जाते हैं, bridges even break हो जाते हैं, and even dams के अंदर भी बहुत बड़े बड़े cracks आ जाते हैं. So this can cause a great loss to the property and human lives. See, on April 2015, an earthquake caused a large-scale destruction in Kathmandu, that is Nepal. Nepal पूरी तरह से devastate हो गया था. अभी recently, like few days back, we had a very severe earthquake, right? Like not in our country, but in Indonesia. We had a very severe earthquake. It was a great loss to the property. It was around 6 on the Richter scale. So, बच्चे, the point of an origin of an earthquake is called a focus. And the point that lies directly above the focus on the earth's surface is called the epicenter. I had shown it to you with the help of a diagram. Yes, this is a loss to the property due to the earthquake. See the cracks on the road, see the devastation of the buildings and the debris thereafter. Let's see the measures for adopting the safety measures. बच्चे, we should stay calm and never panic. हमारे को हमेशा calm रहना चाहिए और panic नहीं करना चाहिए. Think what you can do to save yourself. We should sit under a desk or a table and hold on it until the tremors stop. And if outdoors, we should move to a safe place. आप लोगों को कोई भी जहाँ पे बहुत बिग बिग बिल्डिंग्स हैं, ट्रीज हैं, व्हीकल्स हैं, वहाँ पर पावर लाइंस हैं, उनके पास नहीं खड़े होना है. यू शुड बी इन एन ओपन स्पेस वेयर देयर इज नथिंग beyond you. Apartments and high-rise buildings should have an emergency exit so that the people can come out from them. And we should not operate the electrical switches. You know why? Because there can be a short circuit or appliances during the earthquake because it may cause fire. Dear students, you should always remember, whenever the earthquake kind of a situation occurs, we should always follow the 3 rules. Drop. Be patient, drop down under a safe surface. Cover yourself and then hold on there for some time. We should always follow to be calmed down. If you are inside, stay away from the furnitures, windows and lamps. If you are outside, stay away from the buildings, walls and the power poles. Now, if you are driving, stop in a safe place, turn on the hazard lights and stay inside the vehicle. Dear students, if you are in a crowded place, protect your head with your arms or take cover under the seats and the table. If you follow these steps, you can stay safe and you can even keep your companions safe. See how a mother is keeping a child safe by going under the table, hiding under the table during the earthquake. The tremors can be felt, isn't it? Now they are running to safer places, away from the big buildings. Here they should be away from the bigger buildings and even the poles and even the wires. See, there should be an emergency exit and even there should be a doctor around. See, they are particularly moving out of their buildings, apartments, high-rise emergencies and even the emergency exit.